Well, federal buildings spend about 90 cents per square foot each year just to power lighting. That's about 80% more than the average commercial building. So the opportunity to save energy by controlling lighting in federal buildings is much larger than it is in the private sector. Lighting controls typically have a payback period of 1 to 3 years. Over a long service life of 10 years or more, lighting controls can have a total return on investment 3 to 5 times the original installed cost. So that's a really great opportunity for federal facility managers. Not really. Facility managers need to plan out how they want to control the lighting in different parts of their building. A good way to go about that is to give the people in the building some options and kind of educate them on the types of control schemes that can be used. Being able to get occupant buy-in and execute the lighting control gives you the best opportunity to have controls that have sustainable savings over time and meet the needs of the occupants. Well, again, it's important to include the occupants as much as possible in determining what those control schemes are going to be. But in the end, when you have actually implemented the controls should achieve your energy savings goals as well as enhancing the environment, the work environment for the occupants. A passive measure for lighting would be to replace inefficient lighting like T12 lamps with newer T8 or T5 lamps. What that does is it raises the efficiency, but it doesn't actually change the amount of waste. In other words, if I have lights on 10 hours a day and I only need them on 6 hours a day, I still have them on 10 hours a day, I'm just using less energy. The 40% of the time that I'm actually wasting energy, I'm still wasting energy. Lighting controls are an active measure. And when I mean active is that those controls are using a schedule, or they're using daylighting, or they're using occupancy-based inputs to control the lighting to tailor it around the occupants and their needs. So by actively controlling the lighting, we can reduce the amount of waste, and that's combined with passive measures that can achieve the ultimate savings or ultimate reduction in consumption.